Hey everybody, it is day 2 of Inman Connect in New York City. This is so much fun to be here. There's great technology, there are incredible speakers, CEOs of tech companies, CEOs of real estate companies, and lots of great speakers today. It has been a dynamic first day and really awesome conversations. I love the conversations about how technology can help us get face to face. The best technology is the technology that gets you more face to face and not in front of your computer. This is where ideas are happening, conversations are happening, and partnerships are happening. It's my kind of place. I'm having a blast. And it's just dynamic to meet people from all across the country and actually are from realtors from around the world that are helping people with the largest financial decision of their life. If you are not attending conferences for networking, for referrals, also for just outside the box thinking, or maybe something that you used to do that you forgot about doing, you may be missing an opportunity. Find a local or regional event to attend, get out there, make some friends, let's connect. Make it a great day.